All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. The S25 Ultra is coming. I've already got a lot of my S25 Ultra things in, but the S25 Ultra is not here yet. This is my S24 Ultra from Samsung. And here's the Binks case that I've been using on it for, oh man, the better part of half of its life. But Binks sent me over the new version for this is the same case. I have multiple cases from Binks, but this is the Armor Air Aurora. So this case is the same as this case, but it looks a little different, and it should shape a little different based on the different hardware on the S25 Ultra. And that's what I want to kind of try to get a sneak peek at today. So let's pop this open here. Let's see just how much difference, if any, there is with the S25 Ultra. So let's see here. Already I can tell it looks like the S25 Ultra is going to be a lot more square and round. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at the completely flat sides. This gives you a great indicator of just how different the S25 Ultra is going to be. And obviously, yeah, I'm going to pick up the S25 Ultra. But looking at the cases themselves, this is a good thing. Samsung has flattened off the sides completely. So if you look here on this side of the case here, you can see that the sides are completely flat. If I stand it up here, looks like they're about the same height. But with the flat sides, the S25 Ultra appears to be more narrow. And so it's going to have a different narrow body on there. If you flip it around to the bottom here, you can see the S Pen is still in the same spot. The charging port, everything's going to be the same spot, speaker. Yeah. And we go to this side here. You can see all the buttons and volume rocker and power are going to be in the same spot as well. And then you got the same cutouts on the top here. So in the inside here, Binks, this is just a Binks design. If anything, it's just kind of showing you, the differences of, just materials and things changing the inside. It feels about the same though. But the camera module, I'm going to try it on just to see if there's a big difference here. But obviously the case is shaped a little different on the camera module. You got a little dip here, which would indicate that the camera module on the new S25 Ultra is bigger. Now I do have camera module protectors on here. So when I put this on this case, it fits perfectly. It's just enough room here to clear the camera module. But putting it on the S25 Ultra, if it'll even fit, because, it's narrower, so it shouldn't fit in theory. Yeah, the phone is already much bigger and wider than the S25 Ultra. So this is going to be good. I'm really going to like this. This new S25 Ultra, the size of it, because already it's still big, but, yeah. It can't fit. Yeah, that's what I determined. It's going to be a lot narrower because it has the flat sides. This is a good thing. I think making the S24 Ultra narrower is a positive thing. So yeah, you can see it already. The flat sides on here, it's different. It is different. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Yeah. So I've had these Binks cases in for a little bit, and I was just kind of sitting around. I said, man, let me see just how different, if there's any changes to the hardware. And there, in fact, is changes to the hardware. The S25 will be more narrow than the S24 Ultra. It's going to have squared off sides still got the flat sides. It's just, they've made it a little more narrow. Now look for a lot more reviews on the cases for the S25 Ultra, because I have several sitting off to the side here, and I have tempered glasses and everything ready to go for the S25 Ultra. Yeah, what they've done is they've boxed it off. They've boxed it off. It's completely flat. Like the S25 Ultra is flat on the sides, unlike the rounded sides on the S24 Ultra. And I remember getting the S24 Ultra thinking that it was much flatter on the sides than the S23 Ultra, and it really was, but now they've completely gone flat on the S25 Ultra, and it is very apparent with the sharp angles in comparison to the S24 Ultra. You've also got a rounded square. They're more boxy, which leads me to believe the S25 Ultra also is not going to be so pointy on the corners, because this case is more of a rounded corner, which is going to be so nice probably in the hand. It's going to be great. yeah, this is the new version for the S25 Ultra. Same case, same color. And you can see they've stuck with it. They just kind of made some changes on the design here. But, you know, I do believe that the camera modules are going to be bigger on the S25 Ultra, because if you look here, I mean, obviously I can't get this case on. It's kind of, it gives a bigger dip there. So that's an indication to me that the S25 Ultra will have bigger camera modules. And I'm going to love these flat sides. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wow, that is going to be interesting to see the upgrades that are done to the S25 Ultra. I'm always curious to see what they actually are going to change. And yeah, they're changing the hardware a little bit. The sides are going to be flat. Yeah, all the position of everything is going to be the same though. They're not changing anything on the position of the devices. S Pen will be in the same spot. SIM tray might be in the same spot, but nonetheless, you're still going to have these flat sides. But one improvement that I'm looking for in the hardware is the more rounded corners, because you've always heard me say that is the thing that I dislike about the S25, just 24 Ultra the most, which is why I have an S24 Plus. The rounded corners, it just feels so good. It feels so much better. So folks, what do you think? I know you've seen leaks of the S25 Ultra. I have not been paying attention to leaks. Recently, I've just been doing other things. I don't really care for the leaks. I want to have some kind of surprise when it comes to the phone I'm going to buy. So this is some indication though. When I got these cases in, I had to inspect this, and I'm impressed. I'm impressed with what I can see it's going to feel like. The more rounded corners, the narrower body, this should be good. Leave a comment down below. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Take care.